Hello, an online successful business is very important to me as ARGANRain hair skin products company taught me the value of dropshipping, and that if I'm selling online, I should work with the suppliers that are willing to dropship their product to my customers. So I have been recommended ARGANRain because of its reputation, ease of use, high quality products. I currently have a 50% profit margin. Last month I made $2,100. This is so amazing for a job that I can manage anywhere, whatever. What are you waiting for? Join ARGANRain dropshipping program, which is